Munchai tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Munchai affiliate marketing and how you can do it. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So this is the website right here, as you can see, munchai.com, and this is how it looks like. Now what it basically is, it's an affiliate market where you just simply have to find your product that you want to promote and then promote it, and they will say give you an affiliate link, and whenever someone buys that product through that affiliate link, you will earn money through your commission. So as you can see over here, we have various websites that are promoting different products. So Munchai doesn't, so you don't have just products from Munchai itself. There are other affiliate marketing as well. So most of the products that I see are from JVZoo and W Plus. So that's the main big thing. So what we can do next is we can find a product that has a higher commission rate and a higher price so that we can earn more money. Now over here on the left side, these are some of the big launches. Now what that basically means is that these are some of the products that are about to launch and have a higher price and a higher commission and are expected to do very well in sales. So over here on the left side, we have all of the products that are available over here, and we can start promoting. Now if you're wondering what type of product that you want, I'll tell you. So what you have to do is you have to look at the price over here and next to the product and look at the commission rate. So look for a product that has a higher price and higher commission so that you can earn more money. Over here, most of the products are like 45, 47 to 60, and they have all of them have like a 50% commission. So now these yellow ones, as you can see over here, these are the products they higher value, meaning they have a higher price. So over here, this product is worth $3,497. This product right here is worth $3,497, and it is commissioned at 50%. So if you sell this product or manages to promote this product, you will earn a 50% of this, basic half of what your product, half of this. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing. Same with this one, 47, and this one at 2,997, but I can't seem to find the percentage, but I would assume that it's at 50%. So these are the products that you are looking for, higher commission rate and stuff like that. So let me just show you how you can basically create an account over it. Now to create an account, it's really different. So you have to come over here to the submit section. Over here at the top, you have a couple of different options, but you want to click on submit. Now once you click on submit, you will see this is basically submit your launch as section. Basically over here, you're going to be submitting your product and stuff like that, but we're not here for that. We just want to create an account. So over here, as you can see, register an account. You can click over here to register an account. Now once you do that, it'll take you over to the registration form over here. Now over here, all you have to do is enter in your username, your email, your first name, your last name. Make sure you're using your real name, because in these rules, they specifically say that you have to use your real name so that they can contact you, so that there's a trust between you and the buyer or the seller or the market, so that there's no confusion later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Now as you can see over here, they say that registration is complete. We should check our email and visit the login page. So I'm gonna go back to the login page over here, and I'm gonna check my email address for a verification email that they have sent me. And once you have logged in, this is going to be your profile over here. So you have a couple of different options over here. You have your first name, your last name, your email address, and stuff like that. Now what we can do next is we have events, we have evergreens, and we have posts that we can, find. So now that we have created an account over here in posts, we can see we have all these different types of product, and next to them we have the pending sign, which means that they are still pending for approval so that we can either promote them or not. So over here at the top, what we want to do is we can go ahead and add a new product, add a new post or whatever, and then we can use these filters to change. So we have all these different types of affiliate marketing platforms that we can choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and choose JVZoo because that works for me very well. Now over here, we have all these different types of products as well. So we have tags, video hostings, and stuff like that. We can go ahead and promote whichever one we want. So if we want to view this one, okay, let's just go ahead and view this one. We can make up to $825 per customer, which is pretty high, 100% on ready to rock and roll. So this one has been proven, and we can we can go ahead and promote this as well. So it's a standard launch, and this is the JVZoo page where we can find this. So let me just go over there. Now how it basically works is that we have to contact this person right here, and we have to submit our portfolio or tell him that we have a good audience or that we have a influence on a lot of people, and then we can help you promote your products, and then he will approve of that, and he will give you his affiliate link, and then you can go ahead and start promoting that person's affiliate program or his product, and then you can start earning commission upon those affiliate links. So right now, no, it hasn't launched yet. It will launch on February 1st at 10 Eastern time, and the front end price is going to be $17, and the commission is going to be 50%, so which is pretty nice. And the person is James Kennedy. And over here onto the JVZoo link, this is his program, the Get Mastermind Circle. So we can have to promote this, right? And we can go ahead and promote this, and it will be all set. Same thing with other products as well. If you want to promote other products, let's just go ahead and go with this one, Ugu Carson, and its launch date is May 23rd. It's we don't have any information of it yet, but we have the page over here, JVZoo page. Let's go ahead and see what it is about. So over here, this is a Blue Hustle 2.0, and it's 27, and it just keeps taking me over to different. And over here, I think, is the main link, which is a ClickFunnels link. So if I click on it, no page is found. So I guess that this product does not exist, and it is not a good one at that. So let me just go ahead and go back over here, and we can see we have all these different types of products that we can go ahead and promote, but you get the idea, right? Just simply choose whichever product that you want. All right, contact the seller, tell them about your influence, tell them about your social media page, how much followers you have and stuff like that. And once he says that, okay, let's go ahead and do it, he will provide you with a link, or he will give you permission to attain a link, and then you can start promoting that product, and then you can earn a pretty decent money through commissions. And what I would suggest doing is not just promoting one product. What I would suggest doing is promote different products with different commission rates, with different prices, so that you can earn more money and you can earn a proper monthly income. So it's pretty simple. It's really easy to use. Also, before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can basically promote these videos. So basically what you can do is you can see, like, we have all these different products from JVZoo. We have Warrior Plus, and we have this one, the Infusionsoft, right? So what you need to do is you need to go over to these website, and you need to create an account there. So we have ClickBank as well. So go to JVZoo, go to Warrior Plus, and create an account, and basically that will be your main selling point. That was going to be the place where you get the official affiliate link. And once you have that link, let me just show you real quick. Let me just open up the YouTube over here to show you how you can basically promote it. So on YouTube, what you have to do is you can search like anything, right? So let's just go ahead and search for Doodle Maker, because this is a product that usually people like to promote. So let's just take this video, for example, this one. So underneath this video is going to be your affiliate link over here. So that's basically what it is. When you find like a product that you want to promote, you take the product, you make a small video out of it, like a review video, and then you post it onto your social media or your YouTube channel, and then add a link in the description for the affiliate link. Add the affiliate link in the description, and you can do this with everything. Like, you can do this on TikTok, you can do this on Facebook, you can do this on Instagram, wherever you want. So this is how you basically promote it, and you can promote your other channels as well, or other things if you want to promote. So it's really simple, it's really easy to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.